Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to accept invites on Soundtrap. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide on how to accept invites on Soundtrap web app. The first thing you like to do is to open your web browser and go to Soundtrap web app at soundtrap.com and log into your account using your account credentials. Then on the home page, in the left navigation panel, which you have here just right under project. So this left navigation panel, you have projects, you have messages, you have podcasts, you have learn, and you have Soundtrap for education. Go ahead and click on this option that is labeled messages. Click on the messages to open the section where invitations and collaborations are managed. In the messages tab, you'll find any recent notifications, including invitations to collaborate on projects. Now, invitations to join a project will typically appear as a message from the project owner or collaborator. Locate the invitation message in the messages inbox. Click on the message to view the details of the invitation, including the project name and the invitation to collaborate. Inside the message, you will see an option to accept invitation. Click accept invitation to confirm that you want to join the project. After accepting, you will automatically be added to the project and you'll be able to collaborate on the tracks and content. Once you have accepted the invitation, you can access the project by clicking Enter Studio or by going to Projects and open the project from there. You will now have access to edit and contribute to the project. After accepting the invite, you can start adding tracks, adjusting the project settings, and collaborating with other members in real time. Now, you can enable notifications to be alerted when you receive new collaborations invitations, ensuring you do not miss invites. If you do not see an invitation in your Soundtrap messages, go ahead and check your email inbox, the one associated with your Soundtrap account, as some invites might be sent via mail. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. Hoping this tutorial marvelously helped you search.